What's up? What's up? What's up? It's Big Boss. I just got a package in the mail. I'm finna unbox it for y'all because I don't know what it is, but I think I have an idea. So I'm just here to bring y'all that unboxing video. Yeah, I got something in the mail, man. Let's open it. Let's see what it is.
I'm a money magnet, draped in designer. I stay high fashion. Tissue bougie, know I'm high maintenance.
Let's open up the first one. So, you know, when I'm opening up packages, I be thinking I'm strong, like I can rip it open. I ain't gonna be able to rip it open, so let's just go ahead and do it the right way. Using the teeth. You know, when you chew stuff, when you bite it open with your teeth, you gotta like spit it out. You gotta do it like that, and then when you get it open, like, you know what I'm saying, you gotta, that's when the strength come in. You feel me? Look what they did. They put it in here, put it in another wrapper. See, that's good care. Whatever this is, it must be important. So it's kind of like, it's like one of the ones where you gotta, I don't know, you can't even do that. More teeth action. Like I said. Open it back. Ooh. Ooh wee. Boom. Look at that. Y'all see it? Ooh. We got Parfums de Mali. What version is this? Godolphin? Godolphin? Godolphin. Royal Essence. Oh yeah. Y'all know I'm finna do a review on this one. Let's unbox this real quick. Second, I don't really, you know what I'm saying? Get this wrapper off real quick. Also got a new microphone, so give me a second. Hold on. Hey, it's so funny, like y'all don't even know what just happened. Like I low-key had to just cut right there. Like, yeah, my dude called me and had him let him know, like, I'm busy right now. You feel me? Like, I had the whole setup. He seen all this behind me and was like, what the fuck? It's crazy. But yeah, like I said, Parfum de Mali. I already took the wrapper off, so let's, like, you know what I'm saying? Let's get in this box. Doop, doop, doop. You got one of them little things. Doop. Ooh, like it's peeking out at you. Boop. Ooh, damn, this bottle look expensive. Ooh, fingerprints. Okay. Oh, you kind of. Oh shit. I mean, ooh, snap. Okay, so let's open up the next one. I'm gonna do a review on it soon. Coming soon. I got y'all. Let's open up the next one. All right, boom. Got another Parfum de Mali. This is called Hero. Let's open the bad boy. All right, so this concludes this unboxing. Stay tuned for the video because I want to smell these and see what it's like. It's Big Boss. I love y'all. Peace.